you saying then?
Oh my god, I found a gold knife pot.
New kill leader. They can have it. My sights are set higher. Ultimate accelerant here.
Level 2.
Did you ping the other blue?
No.
Why not?
I mean, like, armor-wise.
Evo shield here. Level 2.
I meant armor-wise, you silly gooses.
Oh, yeah.
Actually, it's actually these.
R99. Barrel stabilizer here. Level 2.
Wings out.
Pretty sure. Did I have a car last game? I didn't even use the car at all. I was just using flatline the entire time.
Wings up.
You want one of my guns? You want flatline or R3?
I have flatline.
Okay.
Take the skin one. Let's go.
Hell no, I don't want to play crypto. I don't even know how to play crypto at all. I will literally get stuck in his drone
Wings up.
and then start screaming because I don't know how to get out, or I don't know how to recall the drone.
Wings out.
Oh, hell to the no, no, no.
Counting down from 60 and the ring's close by.
2 bats. And 2 cells.
R301 here.
Have I tried playing
have,
Loba?
12 cells.
45 seconds. Ring is near.
It's just... I would play Loba if we had a 3-stack.
Let's explore this
If
way.
the games
Never
look
mind.
were like kind of like we weren't getting good loot. But we
I was
definitely
actually
need
thinking
a...
of playing Loba before this, but like, yeah, I'd want like a seer or something.
We need Scan Legend
Only
and we
have
need
30 seconds
Valk.
left.
And then like our third has to be some kind of movement legend. And I don't want to depend on the third to be Valk, you know, and then be yelling at them to Valk ult. I'd rather just pop the Valk ult and make them get on anyways, you know what I mean?
It's a...
Body shield here. Level 4.
10
I
seconds.
think I should have quit.
Wings out.
Yeah, I think that I wanted him to have it instead of me.
Looking for any salvage right here. Cargo bot down. Finders keepers. Wings up. Hey, ring's closing and we are all in the danger
I'm
zone.
gonna get another gold here. It's my good karma. Oh, purple. Ping R301, bestie. We literally pinged one for you.
Optics here. Close range. Wings out.
Yeah, I just...
Clip, do you thank you for the follow?
I have no words for that one, Chief.
That is so true, everyone. Sean always asks me for a reskin, but never says thank you.
Level 3.
I think that's Cap.
Shield battery here.
No, I don't think I've ever heard you say
Package
thank you.
coming in.
Phoenix kit here.
I think that's just Cap.
Mm,
That does not sound like me.
exactly like you.
Optics here. Shield battery here.
Y yo sé, Rosco. Vamos a tratar a llegar a Masters.
But Aaron was on my side.
Everyone said fuck you. You need this?
Well,
I'll bag
I'll
that.
tell you. I got a bruiser.
Double 3x. Hi, Clipty, good morning. I don't like running double 3x's.
Kit here.
Wings out.
Okay, you want my bruiser? Okay.
Do you like the bruiser?
No, I don't. I want the 3X.
Wings up.
No, we literally had this conversation yesterday.
Optics here. Close
Aww.
range.
That's got
Me
me
likey.
written all over it.
Watching your stream?
Oh.